Good morning, Cardinals. How are you? Today I'm talking to first and second grade about horizon lines. Whenever you draw something, you have to make it look like it's not floating on the paper. So what's helpful with that is something called a horizon line. And I'm going to show you what that is. If you draw a flower or a dog or anything on your paper, in order for it to not look like it's just floating in the air, you have to put it on the earth, right? So you're going to go from one side of your paper all the way across and hop over your drawing. And that is going to look like it is sitting on the earth now. So your horizon line is where the sky meets the earth, right here. So the sky doesn't just stop up here and you color this, and then down here's the earth and you color this, and then your flowers in between. The sky goes all the way down to the horizon line. So you've got to make sure that you paint all of this part blue for your sky, and you bring it all the way to the earth, and that is going to represent your sky, and this is going to represent the earth, and that is what a horizon line does. It sort of centers your drawing so it looks like you're standing on the ground. Okay, so we're going to do a little seascape today for first grade, and you're going to paint your seascape with warm colors and cool colors here. Our warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. Remember, for Roy. And our cool colors are greens, blues, violets, and purples. We're going to do our ocean that color. So we're going to divide our little picture into warm colors and cool colors. So the first thing I want you guys to do if you're in the first grade is I want you to give me a horizon line. Now in the drawing that I sent to you guys, the sun is up in the sky beaming down on the water. But the one that I drew, it's in the afternoon, so the sun is going down. So I drew it behind the horizon line with the rays going up. It doesn't matter which way you do it, I prefer it this way. Then you're going to come back and put some little waves in your drawing, and then you're going to color it with whatever you have, colored pencils, crayons. I painted mine. So your warm colors, again, are red, orange, and yellow, because they're kind of like fire, right? Like the sun. And blue, green, and purple are kind of cooler colors that you'd find in the ocean or the grass. So that's what you're going to paint at the bottom. So first grade's going to do that, and then second grade, y'all are going to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to erase this, and you guys are going to do a climbing landscape that looks a little bit like this. I put this drawing also on the website, on the slides. So yours is going to be a little different. It's kind of fun. It's easier to draw it with the pencil than it is with the marker, but here it goes. Okay? So the first thing I want you guys to do is come down here at the bottom of your paper, and just a little bit like this, I want you to start at one end, and you're going to do like an alligator's mouth. You're going to start here, and you're going to go up just a little bit, and that's going to be your first part of your earth. We're going to climb a mountain. And on our earth, we're going to put a house. So I'm going to show you guys how to draw a little house on your horizon line. First, you start with a little upside down V. Okay? Then you're going to draw a line that goes out. That's the top of your house. And then you're going to follow this little angle from your V and come down. And that's going to be your roof. So you'll come straight across, and then you'll go 1, 2, 3, down, and you got a house. Okay? Then I'm just going to draw a straight line there and put a door and a couple of barn windows and stuff like that. So that's what I want you guys to put down here. I want you to put the upside down V and the little angle that matches the upside down V, a straight line all the way across, and your sticks. And there's your barn with the front door. Then I want you to come over here and do a smaller one with a little rounded edge and go straight down. That's going to look like a little part of your barn. Okay? Then you're going to come over here and you're going to go one more time up, just barely touching the top of your house. And you're going to do another road. And maybe on this road, you got a little car driving down the road. So I'm going to draw something that looks kind of like a hat. I'll put some wheels on it. I'm gonna put a window in there and a headlight. And I got a little car going down the road, you see that? And maybe on this road, I've got a tree coming up over here on the edge. I don't know, maybe I got a tree as he's driving along. Then I'm gonna come along and I'm gonna jump behind my tree and I'm gonna do another road. And on this road, maybe I'm gonna do a windmill on here. I'm gonna do a little windmill because I'm out in the country. I'm not in the city, right? I'm in the country. So I'm gonna do a little windmill there. And then I'm gonna do another road going up. And on this road, I'm gonna not do anything because I'm gonna make this a lake. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna put a little boat on my lake. Put some waves. So when I color this one, I'll color it blue, and I'll color these different shades of green because they're my grass, or maybe even one's tan because maybe this one's farmland and I have some little plants growing all over here on this one. I don't know, but you're gonna do different shades of green on your road, and you know, maybe some tan for the dirt. So maybe green, tan, green, or maybe this one could be darker. And then on my last one, I'm gonna do just one more skinny one right here, and I'm gonna put some trees over here that are far away. And these trees back here are gonna be a lot smaller than these trees down here because they're far away, right? So the further away you get, the smaller stuff starts to look, okay? That's called perspective. Now this back line back here as I'm going up the hill, that's my horizon. That's where the sky meets the earth. So I'm gonna put my sun in there and my little rays that I can come back and paint with my warm colors. And I want you guys to color this. And if you want to, you don't have to put, you know, the rays, or you can add a cloud first and paint those, you know, leave those white, and then come back in and do your warm colors, which we said again are red, orange, and yellow. And all your cool colors down here, green, blue, and purple. But you can paint your barn red, you can paint your car yellow, you can paint some of the features in your landscape that have a little bit more of the warm colors in them. But I'm gonna draw one more house here, and I want you guys to have fun with this. Okay, maybe this is a little church on the top of the hill, I don't know. But anyway, that is how you draw a landscape with a horizon line. Okay, you guys have fun with this, color it, and be sure and upload your pictures for me to see. Have a beautiful day. Bye.